Zimbabweans living along the border with Mozambique are increasingly fearful due to the ongoing post-election violence in their neighboring country, which has already resulted in dozens of deaths. Sanabira mashoka tunoti awa malives evanhu vemunyika yezimbabwe aiwa opinda pama1 pamusoro pemapost elections akaitika munyika yemozambique. Vanhu vekumozambique vachiziva kuti vagari vemunyika yezimbabwe ndo honzero, ndo vakakonzeresa. Not about subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mupindula unodanyira vachiti protests erupted in Mozambique following the general elections held on October 9, 2024, in which the ruling Frelimo party, in power since Mozambique's independence from Portugal in 1975, claimed victory. Opposition leaders and their supporters, particularly in urban areas like Maputo, have taken to the streets, alleging that the elections were rigged. ZANU-PF has been accused of playing a role in alleged election manipulation, particularly after reports surfaced of hundreds of Zimbabweans registered to vote in Mozambique's elections. However, the ruling party has vehemently denied any involvement in election rigging. In Zimbabwe, Manicaland province, especially in areas like Nyanga, Wonde Valley, Kashio Valley and Mutare residents are living in fear that violence could spill over the border. Tomashkano kuda tunoti vagarunyika Zimbabwe vakutya noda kwokuti vari kutoona kuti aiwa kunyange vagari vemunyika Mozambique aiwa vane courage yangu yekutopinda vachikrosa marivers kuti vayambuke vachiya kunyika yeZimbabwe. Zvari kuona kuti malives avo ava parisk, vachiziva kuti anytime they can be attacked. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wapinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.